Listen, Mum, I've got guests over. Can I call you a bit later? Bill! Bill! April.
Congratulations.
Wonderful, wonderful news.
Ridiculously handsome. Too bad he's a wanker.
We're going to be a family.
Oh, wow. I have never seen that happen before. It's not every day that one of us becomes a minister in your entirely useless opposition party.
What is it, darling?
I have an announcement.
Oh. Very funny.
It wasn't a joke.
I could kill you!
You need to let the anger out. It's only natural.
Shut up, Godfrey. Your cliches are unbearable.
I smell burning.
Oh, it's the vol au vents.
Do you think we should leave them alone for a minute? What for?
Personal space.
Revenge.
No. I believe in truth and reconciliation. What is it you do again, Tom?
What can finance?
Oh, yeah.
We shared everything.
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 I'm disgusted.
So much negative female energy.
You could consider murder.
This is all coming out.
Our relationship is starting to look remarkably healthy.
It's very kind of you to call. Yes, just a little celebration.